I'm Robbie.
And I'm Shay.
And this is Shay and Robbie's Adventures, and in this episode, we're headed west.
Yeehaw!
Well, we have left the Indiana sand dunes, and we've headed west. We drove through the southern end of Chicago, and then now we are almost in Iowa. Right on the border. Actually, yeah, Iowa's right over there.
There's Iowa.
There's Iowa right over there. And we're at a place called Fisherman's Corner. I randomly found it back in April of this year.
A long time ago.
When we were like, where are we going to stop? And so it seems like a pretty cool place. So we figured, let's go check it out and see what amenities it has to offer.
So here's something really cool. We are right next to a lock on the Mississippi River. And right over there, look at, what's that? That's our camper. The host said we have the best spot in the entire campground until the mayfly infestation. Good morning, Robbie. What you doing? Holy cow, is this gonna show up? All right, this is a first for us. Come out and the camper is absolutely covered in these significantly big bugs.
Well, they look like a
what are they?
Fly.
They're a fly?
I mean,
I don't know what. I honestly have never seen anything like that before.
Oh, well, his tail comes off super easy. Whoops.
Maybe this is what I heard last night. It sounded like rain, but ugh. Okay.
Ready? Fly, little guy.
All right. And what happened over here overnight?
Something got into the barbecue.
So I heard some scampering last night, something around our campsite, which is the first time. I haven't heard anything before, but
I always put the little doohickey here.
yeah.
I put that in the rag and just so it doesn't hear him bounce around. And I just have this old nasty thing. This was on the table. This was sitting here, and then my rag was out in the grass.
Still get a kick out of the fact that we're in Illinois and right over there is Iowa. I've never been to Iowa. I'm so excited. Maybe today's the day I get a new state. We'll see. You ready to work? Work day.
Oh yeah, I gotta drink my coffee first. So that is the Fisherman's Corner campsite. I would give it like a 5 out of 5. I mean, it's like 2 loops, not too many sites. There's tent camping, there's bathrooms, there's a shower house.
Horseshoes.
There's horseshoes, there's the little pavilion thing, and
if you don't have a site right on the Mississippi like we do, there is a couple picnic tables to hang out and have lunch right there. And you know what? It's not the campsite's fault that a couple times a year the mayflies spawn and absolutely
oh yeah.
We talked to the camp host and they said we missed the one where it was so bad. It was like nighttime during the day. There were so many, it kind of like blacked out.
Yeah.
I'm glad we missed that one.
Glad we missed that one. But now we're at the Fisherman's Corner, like fishing area, recreation. That's why we could see the camper across the way. And yeah, you can walk out all the way out to the lock, and there's a bunch of those pelicans.
Yep.
Yeah. Pelicans looking for food. There's some dude out here fishing. Fishing for what? I don't know.
Yep. But it has been a rainy day. It's been raining all day long, which is actually good. It forces us to stay inside and work on our videos instead of going out and shooting footage like I planned to do today and didn't get to do.
Yeah.
So my plans will have to wait till the next time we roll through this area. Check it out. My first time stepping on Iowa soil, the land of my husband's birth. The first time in Iowa, and I'm in the hometown of Buffalo Bill Cody. History nerd! Love it.
So with all that said, we're going to a brewery. Shay looked at breweries near me, and there was one across Leclerc. So we're going to some breweries. Got good reviews. Let's go check it out.
Woo! I have a logo because I'm cooler.
Cheers.
My first beer in Iowa, if you can hear me. Whoa, extreme close up. First beer in Iowa, and it is a pineapple wheat.
I got the white limo, thus IPA, thus dirty socks. Shay's favorite. Beers have been drank. I think they were pretty good beers. I mean, good brewery. It was busy. They had a taco truck out front. It was rocking. We're gonna eat at home though. We're cheap. We've been eating out a lot lately, so it's kind of like, probably should eat the food we have at home.
Now we're gonna go walk by where I was going to go today, but I didn't want to go in the pouring down rain. So, where's that, Robbie? What is it?
Buffalo Bill Museum?
The Buffalo Bill Museum, because we have been to Lookout Point Buffalo Bill Museum in Colorado.
Where he's supposedly buried. It's controversial.
Controversy.
I don't know.
I think he's there.
You think he's there?
Anyways, I was going to come and check this out today, and my plans got thwarted by the weather. So, we're gonna look around outside to see what there's to see.
Not too much to show you at Buffalo Bill's Museum on the outside. And then we were wrapping up everything, and I was like, antique archaeology.
Yeah, antique archaeology.
And then what is this TV show called?
American Pickers.
American Pickers. I'm like, no, it's right here. I'm like, all right, we got to swing by. And of course, here's the car, and I don't know.
We'll check it out and show you. How about that? Instead of talking about it, let's show them. Okay, so it's the next day. We are out of Illinois and in Iowa. We've already started our travels. And where are we, Robbie?
We're in Clinton, Iowa, and shit. All right, it'll stop.
It's a little windy.
It's not, well, it's kind of raining, not raining.
It's more of a mist.
Mist. I opened the umbrella as we started recording and was like, oh, we don't need it because we're under this awning. But we're looking for the Thomas
Dambo trolls.
Yes.
There are 3 in Clinton, Iowa. And we are going to see Marvin, Warren. Oh my gosh, I brain farted on the 3rd one.
Well, and remember, in our previous video, we went to the Autobahn and it was closed, no trespassing. So these are the first trolls we're getting to see on our travels here.
Hi. We're gonna go see Warren. Let's go. We are at our 3rd troll in Clinton, and this is Helmet. And it is pretty darn windy out there and raining, so like we did for Lucy, we'll do anything for our video. But we are not gonna take the umbrella. We're just gonna run out there, get some photos, and get back in the Jeep.
Well, that was fast because, yeah, that wind is whipping and it's really started raining.
Yep. Oh.
And there is not a fourth troll, but there's a sculpture. You got to look for hidden clues, things like that. We cheated. We just looked online. It's in Eagle Park. And so you got to hike like a quarter-mile-ish to get to it. And we're like, we're not hiking in this, so.
Normally, we would not mind.
Yeah.
You know, mile even, but not in this weather before we have to drive for hours soaking wet.
Yeah,
so
we don't be all wet. But yeah, I guess we're gonna wrap this video up. Like, subscribe, share,
all that fun stuff.
Do the social media things. And in our next video, we're gonna continue on west. Like I said, we're headed back to Colorado. So make sure you stay tuned.
Because the next stop is hometown.
Des Moines, Iowa.